Hi students, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to discuss revision test 3 guys. This is related to 3 topics, that is chapter 5, chapter 6, chapter 12 guys. That is quadratic equation, progressions and applications of trigonometry. Okay. So in the next video I am going to discuss the section 1. We have 6 questions students. Okay. Section 1 we have 6 questions, and in section 2 we have 6 questions, that is 4 marks, and in section 3 we have 6 questions, but we have to answer any 4 guys. Okay, and apart from this we'll discuss even part B also, that is objective bits. Okay, in the next video I'm going to keep section wise solutions. Please go through that students, it will be very useful for you for practice, okay, for board exam. Thank you.